As you know that there is a lot of skill set needed in India and also abroad in the field of energy storage, especially batteries. There is a huge demand supply gap for manpower, and in this context, Center of Excellence Battery Lab that we are conducting a 3-day training program on batteries for e-mobility, electrochemistry till policies, which we are offering basic electrochemistry, cell research and manufacture, different equipment, cell pack, second life testing, and also recycling, and also the various policies offered by Government of India and various state governments. So in this context, we have designed a tailor-made program for industry professionals, and of course academia can also be involved, and we are offering this for a 3-day, including a 1-day hands-on experience on coin cell manufacture. So please join. Thank you.